What's up guys, my name is Aaron Baz, fitness manager at Fit Athletic, and today I'm going to teach you how to find your maintenance calories using the data that you've collected in your MyFitnessPal. 2 weeks ago, I set a goal for you guys to track your average daily calories and protein in grams per pound of body weight and told you to do that consistently for the next 14 days. Now, if you've done this successfully, what we're gonna do now is utilize the changes that we've seen on the scale and in the mirror to gauge what you should do next in order to set your maintenance calories. Now, we set that previous average calories per day, assuming that that is the speed in which your metabolism is functioning. Well, if you've lost weight so far, the good news is you have a fast metabolism. If you've gained a little bit of weight so far, unfortunately your metabolism is in a slow spot. By utilizing this information, we're able to make small adjustments to the diet in order to try to get your body weight to stay the same while maximizing your food intake on a daily basis. For those that have lost weight due to a fast metabolism, we're gonna add a little bit of food back into your diet. Guys, for every pound that you lost, I want you to add 200 calories to your average calories per day. Ladies, if you lost 1 pound, I want you to add 100 calories to your average calories per day. Now, for those of you who have a slow metabolism and have gained a little bit of weight, we're gonna do the exact same thing, but in the opposite direction. Guys, if you gained 1 pound, I want you to reduce your calories by 200. And ladies, if you gained a pound, I want you to reduce yours by 100. Now the goal here is to do this exactly as we've been doing, except we're gonna cut the time in half and we're gonna modify this every 7 days. Remember what I said. The goal here is to provide the maximum amount of food and make your body weight go unchanged every single week. Once you've determined this, you understand what your true maintenance calories is. So moving forward, we're gonna repeat this, and it's gonna be a trial and error process for the next several weeks until we're able to identify your golden number. In the meantime, keep your workouts, your protein intake, and your consistency with tracking exactly the same. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next week.